You're having the F20 or F21. It's super, super annoying. Now, if you turn the breaker off and back on, if you don't press cancel, it will flash, but you won't have that beeping noise. So until you're ready to use the stove. So that's just a little pointer. So I'm going to press cancel and you'll see the number, the code that comes up. Super annoying. I'm going to fix it today, but this is just a pointer so that once you turn the breaker on, you don't have to press cancel and you're good to go. All right. Come back over here, bake. Let's put 350. Start. I want you to see if you hear the relays. It's going to beep automatically like it at temperature, but it's not. The oven is not hot. At all. Start. See that? Beeping. So that's a sensor. The oven probe. Then we're going to put it on broil and see how fast it heats up. So broil, start. Still got a quick beep. So we shall see if it beeps like that again on broil. We're going to do the sensor. The board is not communicating with the sensor. So in a few minutes, we'll check the broil element up top and see if it's red hot. It should be hot, but you heard that beep. It's not supposed to happen. Let's do a quick one again over here. Let's, you can run both sides together, so we'll leave that alone. And let's do broil. Start. See that? One beep. This was 2 beeps, indicating there's an issue. We're going to cancel this. One more time so you can hear it. Cancel. Broil. Start. Hear that? Beep, beep. That's an error. All right, so we're still going to let it. There it is. It tells you. It speaks to you. All right. All right, let's dig in. All right, so you heard that beep, very annoying. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna turn the breaker off. And when I come back, it's gonna be flashing. If you don't press cancel, the beep will not come back until you can get your oven fixed. So I'm gonna wait for it to come back. And then we're gonna go turn the breaker off. But we're not gonna press cancel. And you'll see it does not come back. I'm gonna turn the breaker off now. All right, so now we're back. Flashing. It's not beeping. We're gonna watch it for a minute. And if you don't press cancel, the sound will not come back. Just a little trick, just a little helper, so that that annoying beeping sound won't drive you crazy. So right now it's 12. I'm gonna let it sit and I'll be back in 5 or 10 minutes. It should be 12:10 or 12:05, whatever, and you'll see that it's still the same. See that? Has not beeped. All right, so as soon as you press cancel, it will start to beep. Give it 5 more minutes. So we are at 12:22. It has not beeped. Now, I'm going to press cancel. Let's see how. See that? All right. No charge for that. All right, let's get this thing fixed. All right, now we're gonna go to the back. I'm gonna bring it in. So we're back here. All you have is a series of screws to remove, and the back, depending on your model, you don't have to remove all the way because you don't need to take the entire back off. All you're needing to do is disconnect this, which is the top. You squeeze and you pull, comes apart, and that's the upper. So we're dealing with the upper. And you just push it through, and then you gotta go back inside the stove or the oven and push it back. All right, now it's on the inside. I'm gonna repeat this. Plug this in, put the screws back here, go back inside, tighten up, and we're done. All right, so now we're gonna hit cancel, and we're gonna hit bake, 350. Hit start. You hear the click? You didn't hear that double beep. Now the unit is functioning. You heard that single beep, you heard the relay click, and that's it. So we're gonna let it watch. I'm gonna watch it to temperature just to confirm the repair. All right, so let's watch it. All right, so we're at temperature. We're gonna press cancel. Pay attention when you first initiate bake. If you hear a double beep, it means your sensor is bad, and it will continue to make that noise. All right, so we're gonna check these. We wanna be around 1,000, maybe 1,100 at room temperature. This is bad. If it's less, it's still not good. And he's over 1,500. All right, so he's definitely not good. This is a good one. We're at 1,100. So, all right. And if it's too low, it's still bad. But the way I showed you on the screen of the stove is the way to do it. When you hear a double click, beep, 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 that means it is bad. So if you go to bake again, hit start after you select your temperature. It should go right to click. You should not hear a double beep. Oh, temperature is reached. Sorry. Temperature is reached, so yes, that does do that. But if you cancel now, let's go to 450. $4.55. start. See that? Because it's under. All right. Thanks for watching.